seconds apiece.
I said they got a stellar face. Yo,
do the shoes for 5 hours.
Yo, check it. It's complicated striving towards your goal. It's hard in this music becoming known. It's a story of a boy living in the ghetto. He couldn't afford beats, so he raps a cappella. He got his skills up after he went to the studio, recorded his track. He was like, am I gonna get signed? What the deal is, yo? A rap beast ripping the mic with flow after flow. Distribute with CDs, make it dough after dough. Getting a deal is a must, cause I know I'm already feeling like a veteran, you know. With these skills, I'm nice like a pro. Buy beats custom made like Timbo. Yeah, your boy Manny. Yeah, your boy Manny. You know, I got many bangers. I got a lot of summer bangers. I got a lot of summer bangers coming out this summer. Don't be funny. I'm hitting y'all up with straight bangers. You know what I mean? From coast to coast. You know Manny. Yeah. Holla at me, girls. You know I may be overseas. I'ma give you my number. You know. I'ma give you my number right now. Hit me up on the house number. You know what I mean? 973-337-5071. You know what I mean?
That's your house.
Holla at me.
That's your house phone. That's your house phone.
For right now.
That's your house phone.
Yeah, for right now.
Tell me that's your house phone.
But yeah, that's my house phone. 973-337-5071 and MySpace Manny-973. Manny raps at yahoo.com. Hit me up. You know what I mean?
We gonna get great vlogs like this every week, y'all. This J.O. Skin. This gonna be Undeniable TV. This gonna be post up there today. See these rappers, man? This shit is funny, man. Hey, yo, take me, yo, hot. Every week it's gonna be on here, man. You heard me? I'm not gonna take that. I can't breathe. You see what you just witnessed here? Undeniable TV screaming at us, man.
I'm gonna be in Puerto Rico, you know? I'm gonna be at the beach. You're gonna see me at the beach chilling with the ladies.
He just gave you his house number. He's gonna scream at you. Undeniable TV, yo. Listen, man, I went everywhere with every rapper that's trying to do something.
One call away.
Scream at me. You said.
You should be the host.